Since my discovery of the Wild Gut Pure Gut D string, which for me is very inspiring to play on, it has a warm sound which I really love, I decided to try the G string from Wild Gut. It is covered with copper, not silver, which has a very different feel under the finger. They actually put a Pure Gut E, which I actually also use on my violin, a Pure Gut E inside this copper wounding. So it is an E string wound with copper. And this is a very different feel to the Perestro Passione string that I have had in the past. It reacts differently under the bow as well. So decide for yourself which one you prefer, the silver wound Perestro Passione G string or the Wild Gut copper wound G string.